Breaking news, Brian Bagunas magbabalik sa Japan SV League matapos pumirma bilang bagong import ng Osaka Bluteon, formerly known as Panasonic Panthers, para sa 2025 to 2026 season. Kinumpirma mismo yan ng Osaka Bluteon Management through their official social media accounts. Kaugnay nito, nagpahayag ng mensahe si Brian Bagunas and he quote, "I'm truly honored to be part of Osaka Bluteon. I've always admired the club's strong culture and vision, and I'll do my best to support the team in every way to achieve our goals." Nitong nakaraang season ng SV League, nagtapos bilang third placer ang Osaka Bluteon sa men's division, kung saan champion ang Suntory Sunbirds, habang runner-up naman ang J-Tech Stings. Kabilang sa team ang ilang men's volleyball team stars ng Japan gaya nina Tomihiro Yamamoto, Akihiro Yamauchi, Shoma Tomita, Kunihiro Shimizu at Yuji Nishida. Bukod sa mga local members, makakasama rin ni Brian as imports ang ilang national team members ng ibang bansa tulad ni Antoine Brizard ng France, Miguel Angel Lopez Castro ng Cuba at Peng Shikun ng China. Currently, 3 ang outside hitters ng Osaka kabilang ang Cuban import. Si Bagunas ang magiging ika-4 na outside hitter at hindi malayong gawing starter ito lalo na't kapag makarecover fully from his injury. Exciting rin ang magiging stint ni Brian with Osaka dahil makakasama lang naman niya sina opposite hitters Nishida at Shimizu. Dagdag pa ang 2-time Olympic champion at legendary setter ng France national team na si Antoine Brizard. Si Brizard ang itinanghal na best setter sa nakaraang 2024 Summer Olympics. Hindi ito ang unang beses na kinuha bilang reinforcement ang ating kababayan dahil nakapaglaro na rin si Bagunas noon sa Oita Miyoshi Waise Adler from 2019 to 2022. After his Japan stint, lumipat ng Taiwan si Brian to play as import ng Taichung win streak sa Top Volleyball League. Sa tournament na ito, naging most valuable player si Bagunas, leading his team to their back-to-back championship titles. Noong nakaraang 2024 Southeast Asia Volleyball League, nagtamo ng left knee injury si Bagunas dahilan para hindi makapaglaro sa win streak at Alas Pilipinas. Gayunman, unti-unti nang nakarecover si Brian from his injury at inaasahang makakabalik in time for the 2025 FIVB Men's Volleyball World Championship na gaganapin dito sa bansa ngayong September. Bukod sa World Championship, gaganapin din ngayong December ang Club World Championship kung saan kabilang ang Osaka Bluteon. Ang 2025-2026 season ng Japan SV League ay magsisimula ngayong Oktubre kung saan first task nila ang reigning champion na Suntory Sunbirds.